I know.
Let me see. Oh, I'm live. Hey, hey, hey.
Being back.
Captain Chris Johnson here. We are at Epcot. I'm a little late. I can't help it. It's like 90 degrees out here. We're having a lot of fun. Amanda, tell them what we're doing today.
We're drinking.
What are we drinking? Around the world. So every country we got to stop in.
Number 4.
This is the reason why you don't let people drink. Lucci, come here. Lucci, here comes Lucci.
I'm
She's
here.
Hey,
I'm here.
So we just stopped in to say hi. We're at Epcot. Like I said, it's like 90 degrees. Very, very hot. I mean, I'm sweating like crazy.
We're stumbling and we're slurring our words already.
He's slurring his words. I've only had a half of what am I drinking? Pomegranate? A cool summer drink. Pomegranate something. Not bad. It's nice. Hold on. This is for you guys. All right. I have no idea what's going on with Onpassive this week, so just hear me out. I'm going to have to watch Marty and Reg live. I missed them both because we were on the road. But I love every one of you. Don't ever forget what's going on. This is the laptop lifestyle, folks. Look at this. This is what you want, all right? Along with all the great things of helping people out. So don't forget that. But I got to go because I am on vacation. I love every one of you. Hold on, Chris. He's going to do this. Lucci Royal. Woo! What do you say, baby?
Hey, hey, hey.
Amanda? Yeah, we got crazy people. All right, I gotta go.
Stay
See
wild.
y'all later. Marty, Red, I'm gonna watch your lives later. I can't see nothing right now.
Be wild.
If you're on here, I'll say hi to you later, guys. I can't see the names. All right, bye. How do I finish this one? Woo!